Plantein is a breakthrough in non-dairy protein supplements and the first in our new KAGED Muscle Natural series. With this exciting new addition to the KAGED Muscle lineup, we set out to create one of the cleanest and best tasting and most complete plant protein formula on the market, and we succeeded. We're launching Plantein in two great tasting flavors, banana bread and cinnamon roll. And believe me when I say that these taste absolutely incredible.
Plantein, which is a plant-based protein sourced from peas and quinoa, so it's soy-free, gluten-free, lactose-free. It tastes great without a ton of sugar. So a lot of the problems with the plant-based protein is that they're chalky or that they have a huge caloric intake based on the sugar profile. This is low sugar, naturally sweetened. It's got a full amino acid profile, so 25 grams of protein, all the branched chain amino acids that you're gonna need.
Most plant proteins taste downright horrible, but this is where Plantein shines. Our R&D team spent over a year developing and sampling a custom flavor system that has a creamy texture comparable to dairy proteins, ensuring that Plantein mixes smooth and creamy without the grittiness common with other plant proteins. So whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or simply want a clean, effective plant-based protein to help you build muscle and recover after your workouts, give Plantein a try. We're confident it will be one of the best tasting decisions you'll ever make.